welcome to our channel, Natural versus Natural. I am Naola.
And I'm your girl, Pretty.
And today we're just gonna tell you guys a little bit about ourselves.
Introductions. And one, we want to say we're new to YouTube, so welcome us. Thank you.
Yes, he's so
And
proud.
I would like to thank my mother.
He's so proud. Yes, he was up that war, boo.
Anyway.
Okay, let's bring it down. Okay, so yes, we're new to YouTube, so definitely make sure that you like our video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, and that you subscribe, so that way you can keep up with us on the weekly, monthly basis, however we decide we're gonna post.
Right.
And just keep up with us because we have a lot to cover.
Not a lot to say.
Yes.
Okay, I guess I'll start.
Yes, go ahead.
What made me decide to go natural? Because it is a lifestyle that I know I was.
So what
I was
made you
ready.
decide? I feel like
I don't know. Oh, I know.
because it's such
It was the day I burnt my edges. That's exactly what I decided. Let me cut all
such
of
a
these out.
decision.
No, for real though. That's exactly what it was. The day I burnt my edges was when I went to the barbershop. I was like, you know
I
what?
had enough.
I had enough. I can't do this no more. I can't straighten it and hear the.
Or that crunchy sound. And
Your hair.
If your hair go crunch, it's time to cut it
It's
off.
time to do the big chops.
If you ain't got no edges, it's time to cut it off.
Big chop.
If your back, your nape missing some hair,
Big chop.
time to cut it off.
What we're trying to say,
Like, just join the team, squad.
y'all.
Okay, so anyways, as we're two different types of locks. Alfia has pretty voluptuous curls, which is indeed all her hair, so don't be hating.
Don't.
And
Don't be
okay, and I'm locked. I'm 6 months in, and she has a little over 3 years on her growth journey. Blah.
But Janae, look at the growth though. Like
I
6
know.
months where? What?
Watch out, that one might fall out.
Don't turn too hard before you hit my nose. Don't smack me in the face with your dress, please.
Okay, I'll be careful. I'm trying to be a little more
too much.
careful next time.
Damage my eye. Yes.
So I decided to go natural so I could swing my shit.
Right.
Just swing it around. But no.
I come in the club, shake my dress.
So I went natural 2 reasons. Because the other options were more expensive and I just wanted so much better for my hair. I wanted my hair to grow and really just be whatever it is that it needs to be. I just want my hair to be healthy. So I went natural and I decided lock meat was the best option because I don't have enough courage to do that. And that takes too much maintenance.
Yeah,
So
definitely
these are definitely low maintenance. I wake up, I stretch, and I don't care about who's around me. I just, and then I take off my do-rag, and I just shake my hair out. Be careful, it might be a little bit dandruff. You know, I don't wash my hair off.
Girl,
And yeah, I don't have to do anything with my hair. At work, I do pull it back.
We're gonna wrap it up. This is basically saying that, you know, we're doing this together so that everybody can see the difference between how Janaea maintains her hair and how I maintain mine. The second thing is, you know, I'm actually her loctician because I be maintaining her locks. So the best of both worlds. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
I'm dark again.